talk to you guys. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I just haven't been getting any type of trips whatsoever. I haven't been getting called out. I've just been sitting at home, but I have realized that sitting at home is not really doing me much because I know that I'm not really gonna get called, because there is a way for me to check to see how many people are on reserve for the morning. So I decided that I'm just gonna start going outside, doing what I need to do, and if they call me, they call me. I just come back home. Not necessarily go too far away from my house, that way I can come back and get ready if need be. But today I'm pretty sure they're not going to be calling me because there are 17 people right now in total on reserve, and 16 of them are in the morning. There's only one person in the afternoon, so definitely not getting called today. But I'm right now having my breakfast, as you guys saw me make. A lot of people don't like oatmeal, which is fair, but you have to make it a certain way. Like the way that I made it, you have to add like spices to it. You gotta add like sugar to it. I'm trying to eat healthier, so I added honey rather than condensed milk like most Jamaicans do to their oatmeal. And then I added some peanut butter, nutmeg, spices. I don't have any cinnamon, so I didn't add that. And then I added some blueberries for topping. I also added some chia seeds as well in it. Just trying to be a little bit more healthy, and then just a tea. I actually got this cup when I was in Chicago. Around this time last year. Was it? No, it was February of last year. Never doing that again. Chicago is a beautiful city, but I'm never going back to the winter time. They call it the Windy City for a reason. Today, I'm just gonna go get my nails done. They desperately need a refill. I'm probably gonna go back to my original color. I just did this for funsies, but I wanna go back to my original color, which is Bubble Bath by OPI. If you know, you know. When your nails grow out, like you can barely see it, but obviously when you do a color like this, you gotta go get a refill. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm probably gonna head to the mall later because I do need to pick up some skincare stuff, but I'm gonna be doing that later, and I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me. So just got back in the car. I only managed to pick up one thing out of the 3 things that I wanted to get because Sephora didn't have it. It was just a face cream and a face wash I was supposed to get, but they didn't have it, so I just grabbed this. This is, I don't know if you can probably see on the front camera properly, but this is a night serum from L'Occitane, I think it's pronounced in French, but it's pretty good. It minimizes my pores. It just resets your skin when you sleep, and it's basically like Botox without having to actually get Botox done. It is a bit expensive though. I got the 30 milliliter bottle and it cost me after tax like $103, but it does last a while. Like my last one lasted me, I think about, I want to say about 6 months to like 8 months. So it's not terrible. You just need 2 pumps and that's once a night and you're good. So just got that. Obviously, I did not get called today. I already knew that because there were so many people again on reserve. It's the same thing tomorrow. I'm actually on reserve for the rest of the month. For the rest of the month, including November 1st, and then I'm off for 3 days. They did assign me a pairing though very far out, which they don't normally do. They assigned me a 3-day pairing starting on November 22nd, which is very odd because again, that's very far out, but that's the only pairing that I know for a fact that I have, that I'm going to be working then, but just I don't think I'm gonna be getting called, to be honest, anytime soon anyways, because there's just so much people on reserve. There's so much pursers on reserve in the morning because apparently the flight attendants are getting called off of reserve more often than the pursers are. So it is what it is, I guess. But yeah, that's pretty much my day. I think the day's done. I'm gonna go home and just finish some laundry. That's pretty much my day. I just came out to do, I guess, kind of some errands. This is my mommy. Don't we look alike?
Hi.
Like twins.
Hello.
That's what I get my good looks from. Laptop and my phone charger at home. God bless my coworker. Like seriously, God bless her, because she had an extra charger and my behind was gonna go to the mall across the street to try to buy one, because this is the second time that I have done this. And honestly, the first time I got by, I was using the iPad charger on the aircraft to charge my phone. But I was just like, I don't know. It makes me anxious, especially having the job that I have and not knowing if your phone's gonna die, and your phone is what you use your alarm on and you're not waking up. So I'm gonna be watching cable when I get to Calgary, I guess. It's what it is. And good morning, guys. Today is day 2 of my 3-day trip. Still in Ottawa. I'm actually be heading out now just to explore the city, but first I'm going to make a stop at a church nearby called Notre Dame something. I forgot the rest of the name. But there's a church nearby that I'm going to be visiting. I haven't gone to church in a while because I've been getting a lot of single days on Sundays for some reason. That's the only time they actually decide to call me out. The reason why you guys haven't been seeing me do my single day pairings on my vlog is because like there's literally nothing to vlog. Like it's just go, 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 go. Especially the ones that I worked recently. It's been very busy and I literally just have no downtime. Pretty much don't have any time to like even eat a meal. So That's why you guys haven't been seeing any of the single days that I've been doing. I really just bring you guys along with me on 2 days or more because there's a little bit more to show you because there's more downtime. But yeah, I'm just gonna go to the church. I'm going to sit in the presence of my Father, have some time with him, give thanks for all that he has done for me, all that he's going to do, say some prayers for my loved ones, and then just go around the city and just explore after that. Okay, back in the hotel. I am ready to get out of here. Today was honestly so peaceful and so beautiful. I really needed that. Ottawa's really pretty, especially in the fall time. Again, it's my first time walking around the city, so I didn't really know what to expect. It was stunning. It exceeded my expectations, especially that park that I went through. Honestly, I really needed this today. Really needed it, but we're done with Ottawa, and now we are going to be going to Calgary. Just got to Calgary. I would show you guys a room tour, but I've literally pulled apart the bed because it is freezing. It's -3 in Calgary right now. From +22 in Ottawa to -3 in Calgary. But anywho, the heat is blasting right now. Y'all, you don't even know what's in this package right now. You don't even know. I've literally been dreaming about having these again since the last time I was in Calgary. I found it on Skip the Dishes, I believe. They're like these Nepal dumplings. Let me actually open the box. They're like these Nepal dumplings. They're called momos. When I tell you, I look and sound like such a big back right now, but when I tell you that these dumplings are the best dumplings you'll ever have, I'm not even exaggerating. So the place is called Pathway Burgers, and it's located at 2816 21st Street Northeast in Calgary, Alberta. And they have, when I tell you, the best dumplings, the best sauce that go with the dumplings, the best chili sauce as well, because it comes with 2 sauces. So it comes with the sauce and the chili sauce. And it's like, I've literally been looking forward to this all day, and I realized that we were landing after they closed, so I had to order them on the plane, and then the Wi-Fi went down, and I was like, oh my gosh, I had to reset it. And then once I reset it, I tried to order off of Skip the Dishes, but For some reason, Save the Dishes wanted me to confirm that I was who I said I was with my card, and then tried to send me a text message, but the text message didn't go through because I was in the air. It was just the best. So I found it on Uber Eats and I ordered off of that, and I am just so excited to eat these and relax a little bit and then go to bed. I, for some reason, thought that our layover was going to be a little bit longer, but we're literally here on Minrest. We leave here at 11:55 tomorrow. So I don't have any time to do anything. I was planning to go to the mall because 5% tax here, chef's kiss. Like, I literally told myself I'm not buying any big purchases unless I come to Calgary or Edmonton. So that's just not happening, unfortunately, but it is what it is. Today, honestly, it was a very easy day. It was, again, Ottawa to Calgary. The flight was good. And yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy my momos, and I will see you guys tomorrow. All right, and I am ready to go back home. I am going to end out the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video, please do give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button. That way you know when another vlog goes up. I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.